Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. In front of me I have this cordless drill driver from Parkside. It is the performance power tool, brushless. The model PBSPA12C3. I have made a video how you can use this drill for wood, metal, concrete and more. Check that video after the end of this video right in the corner. But today it is a curiosity day. Together we're gonna find out what parts are inside and how it works, this drill. Already I have removed the screws. You need to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. And another 4 screws here is holding the cover. Remove the chuck. Then the cover, plastic. And of course removing the battery. Then you need to remove this metal. It holds the two plastics together. The same in here, you need to remove this plastic that it says brushless. And then you are free to remove the cover. Plastic cover. The two contact blades are coming in contact with the battery and gives power at this drill. The trigger with the cables connected at the board, the same, and this connection for the battery connected at the board, all the parts. The plastic for the left and right rotation, it goes here, pressing, and at the middle it locks. At the front we have the plastic for the LED walking light, the small board for the battery indicator level, and we can remove the shaft at the front. It is the gear change, the speed. You can remove this plastic. It has this spring inside here. Here it is the board for the battery indicator, together with the LED working light, are connected here. And this is the board. The brushless motor with the magnets. Strong magnets. And of course, here we have the other cover in a black color. So that is all the parts for this cordless drill driver. Obviously from the battery it gives power to this board, and then press the trigger, gives power to the brushless motor, and then transferring the power here. And then you can select gear and the speed. So now you are smarter, you know what parts it has inside this drill driver and how it works. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.